So we're proud to introduce that we have a new line of wireless cameras available from Uniview, including the Uniview 2 megapixel cube camera, the 2 megapixel Vandal Dome, and the 2 megapixel bullet camera. All of these cameras are compatible with any of our NVRs, and you can even connect them directly to the app with an internal SD memory card if you would like to use them on their own. Let's go ahead and get into them and see how easy they are to set up. So I'm going to set up the 2 megapixel UNV cube camera. This indoor camera has great features including two-way audio. It can do human body detection, and it can be integrated into your security system even if you only want to use it temporarily, like let's say you go on vacation and want to be able to keep an eye on what's going on inside your house. So inside the box, you have your mounting screws, a USB power supply, your USB micro B connector power cord, your instruction manual, and mounting disc. The UNV Cube camera has a built-in speaker and microphone on it to enable the two-way talk. It has a wide-angle 2 megapixel lens, and it, like I say, is great for even using temporarily inside or if you wanted to set up something very quickly inside your home. So underneath the camera here, you can see that we have an Ethernet port and the micro USB port for powering up the camera. And you can, in fact, hardwire this camera if you would like, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set this camera up using the UNV app. Okay, we have everything we need to get started. Just going to go ahead and plug this camera in using the supplied power connector, wait for it to boot up, and we will move on to the next step. Okay, we have our camera, and our power cord is now plugged in to a wall outlet, and we're going to plug it in. You'll see the IR light kick on the bottom, and in a second you're going to see a red light on the top start. And we're just going to go ahead and wait for this camera to boot up, and then we will start on the app and getting it connected onto the UNV Easy View tool.
Welcome.
Now that we've heard the welcome note on here, we know that this camera is nearly ready to go.
Waiting for network connection. Please add and configure the device on the mobile client.
And as you can hear, it is directing us as to what to do next. Now that you can see the blue light is flashing on the front of the camera, it's ready to be added onto the app. Go ahead and get your mobile device ready. Tap the Easy View app to bring it up. From this screen here, you would tap Devices, and then Add Device at the top. And right here you can see Add Wi-Fi Device. We're going to hit that, and now it is going to be able to go through a few prompts to be added on here. We're going to say that the camera is waiting to be connected, followed by either add as a cloud device or add as a local device. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and set it up as a cloud device. So on this screen, it's going to prompt you to enter in your Wi-Fi password, and you can also give the camera a name that makes it easier to identify, and then we're going to register it after we've set that up. Okay, I've went ahead and entered in a name for the camera, entered in the Wi-Fi password. Now we are going to hit Scan. We're going to get prompted with the QR code. If it has anything asking you to give it permissions, go ahead and tell it to use it while the app is running. And then we're going to flip over the camera where the QR code is located on the bottom, line it up with the QR scanner. Once the QR code has been successfully scanned into the app, we are going to click Connect Automatically on the bottom of the screen and just wait until it is able to connect to the device. After it sets up a temporary Wi-Fi, it will connect to the device, and you should get a prompt on the camera telling you you have successfully connected. Please note that you do need to actually tap the temporary Wi-Fi in order to finish this configuration.
Network connected. Adding the device a cloud.
After the network has successfully connected, it will give you a few prompts on the screen, such as daylight savings time in my case. You can go ahead and adjust these settings for your local area and then click OK. And then wait on here and you should see the camera connected to your screen. After your camera has connected, you will see it here listed on your devices. You can tap the camera and then click Start Live View. And then you will see the camera available on your app. Let us know what you think of this camera in the comment section below, or give us a call and we can help you configure this or set up any new system. Thank you for watching.